Not everyone who asks for help truly deserves it. In fact, some individuals can exploit your kindness and drain your energy without a second thought. Have you ever felt like you're constantly giving but never receiving? It's a familiar scenario for many of us. We encounter various types of people who seek our support, but not all of them are genuinely in need. Let's delve into some common types of individuals who might be draining your emotional resources. First, consider the perpetual victim. This person seems to thrive on attention rather than solutions. They often share their woes, but rarely take steps to change their circumstances. You might find yourself listening to their stories time and again, feeling sympathy for their plight. But ask yourself, are they looking for help, or do they simply want an audience for their drama? It's essential to recognize when someone is stuck in a cycle of victimhood and how it can affect your own emotional well-being. Next, we have the serial borrower. This individual relies on your support without ever reciprocating. They might ask for money, favors, or emotional support, but when it's your turn to lean on them, they're nowhere to be found. Think about it. How does it feel to be in a one-sided relationship where you're always the giver? It's crucial to assess whether these dynamics are serving you or simply draining your energy. Then, there's the manipulator. This type uses guilt and pressure as tools to control you. They may make you feel responsible for their happiness or well-being, twisting your kindness into a burden. Reflect on your interactions with such individuals. Do you feel empowered or obligated? Recognizing manipulation is vital for setting healthy boundaries and protecting your emotional space. Now, let's talk about the lazy dreamer. They often have grand ideas, but lack the motivation to act on them. You might find yourself caught up in their dreams, only to realize they're not willing to put in the work necessary to achieve them. It's inspiring to dream big, but without action, those dreams remain just that, dreams. Ask yourself, how can you encourage those around you to take actionable steps toward their goals without sacrificing your own energy? Another type is the Gossip Monger. This person thrives on drama and thrives on spreading rumors or negativity about others. Engaging with them can damage your reputation and drain your positivity. Have you ever noticed how conversations with such individuals leave you feeling heavy or anxious? It's essential to be mindful of the company we keep and the conversations we engage in. Let's not forget the competitive friend, the one who turns every interaction into a contest. Instead of celebrating each other's successes, they may undermine your achievements or make everything feel like a competition. This dynamic can be exhausting and disheartening. Ask yourself, do you feel uplifted after spending time with this person, or do you leave feeling drained? Lastly, we encounter the Envious Saboteur. This individual may seem supportive on the surface, but secretly undermines your success out of jealousy. They might downplay your achievements or subtly criticize your efforts. Reflect on how such relationships impact your self-esteem and motivation. Are they helping you grow or holding you back? As we navigate these complex interactions, it's crucial to differentiate between true help and enabling behavior. Helping someone who refuses to take responsibility can perpetuate their victimhood and ultimately harm both parties involved. Recognizing these patterns allows us to protect our emotional resources while still being compassionate. Setting boundaries is essential when dealing with exploitative individuals. It's okay to say no when someone consistently drains your energy without reciprocating. Establishing clear limits helps maintain your mental well-being and fosters healthier relationships. Let's also consider the value of reciprocity in our relationships. Genuine connections should involve mutual support. If one party consistently takes without giving back, it may be time to reassess that relationship. Reflect on your friendships. Do they uplift you, or do they leave you feeling depleted? Emotional drain is real, and supporting those who continually sap your energy can lead to resentment over time. Prioritizing self-care is not selfish. It's necessary for maintaining our capacity to help others effectively. As we evaluate our friendships and connections, let's focus on those who celebrate our successes and contribute positively to our lives. Surrounding ourselves with supportive individuals fosters an environment where we can thrive together. Take a moment to reflect. When was the last time you felt truly supported by someone? What qualities did that person embody? How can you cultivate more relationships like that in your life? Life isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about facing them with courage and curiosity. So the next time fear knocks on your door or someone seeks help without genuine intent, greet it as an opportunity for growth rather than an obligation. Remember, every small step you take today builds the foundation for the life you want tomorrow. As you move forward from this discussion, ask yourself, how can I live each moment with greater intention and love? In closing, every choice you make today is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Paint boldly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the masterpiece that is uniquely yours. Embrace this journey of discernment in friendships and relationships. It will lead you toward a more fulfilling life filled with genuine connections that nourish rather than deplete you. Let us know in the comments. What steps will you take today to protect your emotional resources while still being kind? Your journey matters. Let's support each other along the way.